This is a video about replacing a door hinge. Now you can see on the old hinge right here it's not working, so I'm going to replace it with this one that I bought. And what we'll have to do first is take off the door trim on the Volvo 240 here. And this involves right here, if we take a look at the book, a few fasteners here, 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 and here. And then we'll open it up and take a look at the door hinge mechanism and basically connect it. It connects with two bolts here, and then it has a hinge which connects to this rod here. Now that is the summary of the replacement that I'll go about doing. And for this will come off only with a screwdriver. We don't need any special tools. And the screws here also just come out easily, and behind here there should be a plastic weather barrier, and we'll take a look when it's all done. So the door handle is off, and here we can see what's broken. Right here is that little section here is basically sheared off. So it was a good idea to get a new handle versus just thinking it was a disconnected rod or something. So now we're gonna just reuse this old gasket here and put the new handle back on. Yeah, this is not steel, this part that broke. It's an aluminum piece. Interesting. I believe it's aluminum. It's not magnetic. It's probably, yeah, definitely not stainless, so probably an aluminum handle. Replace the new one, which is also, I believe, aluminum, but it's not broken. It'll probably last a few years. Alright. The handle is back on. As you can see, we have motion here with the hinge mechanism, and the screws are tightened back on. The gasket is sealed, and now it's a matter of putting the rigid plastic back on and putting everything back together. And I tested the door. It opens and closes fine, locks and everything, so it's done. For the repair is done now. It's just reassembly. Alright.